In this video, we'll show you how to check for and perform firmware upgrades using the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 Pro app. Keeping your devices updated helps ensure optimal performance, improved security, and access to the latest features. Let's start by opening the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 Pro app. First, you want to select Tools, then choose Cloud Upgrade. Next, select the project or organization you want to review. If the project includes multiple recorders, you will see the associated NVRs and cameras listed. Select the devices you want to check, then tap Detect. The system will search for available firmware updates and display any upgrades that are available. Select the devices you would like to update, then tap Start Upgrade to begin the firmware upgrade process. That's how simple it is to check for and perform firmware upgrades using the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 Pro app. For more tutorials and training on getting the most out of your system, be sure to check out our other how-to videos on YouTube or visit our website.